Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to enable music album art on the lock screen, just like that. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first let me close Apple Music, and all you have to do now is to open up Music app. Then hit Add Play button to start some music playing, and now you can swipe down from the top of the screen to bring up the lock screen, and by default music widget shows in that way. So you got that widget here, and if you want to set this album to the lock screen, so actually to show it in the full screen mode, all you have to do is just tap here once and that's it. If you want to switch it back again, all you have to do is hit right there at that album to bring up that mode. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also you can check out my iPhone tutorials playlist where you will find a lot of useful videos. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.